Alright, so this is our contraption. We have 2 pavers and they've got holes in between them. So I've just put the base of the wine glass inside. And then we have this pressed hard up against this cinder block here. Which should hopefully stop the stem from breaking and it just explodes the glass.
Holy crap.
We're going to be standing very far away from it. We're going to set the camera up because we don't want glass flying into our eyes. So this video is going to be a little bit unconventional. We have my 2003 Lancer, which I bought crashed and have since been using as my daily driver. I did a modification to this car, which makes it a little bit spicy. It's not performance and it's not looks, it's more just, I don't know how you describe it. I'm just gonna show you guys basically what it can do. But first of all, I wanna give my girlfriend Eva a massive thank you for letting me use her property. Why are you walking away?
I'm sorry.
But before we start the video, this is private property and the reason I'm able to use this property is because of my girlfriend Eva. This is her boss's property and he is kindly letting us use it. So thank you to Eva and her boss as well. In the boot of my Lancer, we have some glass. I did a haul before, got some glasses, we got a cup, we got a plate, we got some more wine glasses, and this is gonna be the final boss. And we're gonna use this exhaust to see how durable they are. Now, can you guess what it's gonna do? If you haven't guessed, I'm just gonna roll the clips. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of what this exhaust can do without any glass behind it, because it's pretty funny and it's kind of impressive, to be honest, how it hasn't blown the whole exhaust system off. So now the exhaust is warm, we're going to put our first victim behind it, which, what do you reckon? Yeah, Eva was the first victim, but what do you reckon? Do we use this glass or do we use this one? I kind of reckon this one. Yeah. All right, we're gonna use this one. I reckon it's gonna break off the stem. What do you think?
I think so too.
I think this is way too violent. It's gonna way too thin. Different wine glass this time. We're gonna try put it down, like head down instead of here, because I don't want the stem to break. See how this goes. This is the aftermath. That was the old one. This is all from the new one that we just did. I'm gonna have a lot of fun editing this video. I'm pretty stoked with the outcomes. Eva, what do you reckon?
Scary.
Scary, and she's also filming for me, so hopefully there's no hospital visits. I reckon we need to up the ante a little bit. Maybe something bigger. We're gonna start with this porcelain cup now, because we know that it's gonna blow up glasses, but can it blow up porcelain? Let's chuck this one down. See how that goes. Alright, this time I'm going to try with the glass again. To stop it from moving around, we put a little rock on top. So we'll see if this changes the outcome. So let's try this one. Alright, we're trying different things here. This time we've got another wine glass, but we filled it with water to see if it'll make a difference. I don't know. What's your hypotenuse?
Pardon?
What's your hypotenuse?
I think it's gonna explode.
That went all over the camera. Hell. I did not expect that to happen. I thought the stem was gonna break and then it would just fall and spill all the water and then possibly break. But I reckon we're onto something here. We need to start filling it with water.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. This time I'm gonna fill the glass with this stuff because I want to see it explode. We're just causing more headache for ourselves later on because we're gonna have to clean this up. But the idea is the water, you know, it's gonna clean the concrete, and then we're planting trees now because it's wood. So we're gonna have trees growing here. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, that looks very satisfying. Alright. Yeah, true, it's a glass of red. A bit of Shiraz. This time, we're going to put the rock inside here to see if that does anything. I want to see this thing actually explode the glass properly and not just push it over like last time with the tan bar. There's so much force coming out of this exhaust when the key bang happens that it can actually move the cinder block. Like this probably weighs like probably 10 kilos or something, and it's moving it like it's nothing. So a lot of force behind it. That was the best one yet. I was looking away and I saw glass flying over me as it hit the building and it went over there. Okay, the rock is definitely the go.
Yeah.
Definitely the go. And you know another impressive thing? Usually when you key bang cars, the mufflers explode, the flexi joints explode. This thing's a trooper. Like it's completely stock. It's got a stock exhaust. Nothing's happening to it. And this isn't my first time trying to key bang it. I need to think of some other stuff to put in it. Alright, now it's time for the porcelain plate. I actually have no hypotenuses for this one, and yes, I'm aware it's hypothesis. Let's see how this goes.
Yep.
I don't know which one was my favorite. I don't know if it was the water or the rock or this one. You guys are gonna have to vote in the comments. I reckon the plate was the most spectacular, I reckon, because it literally moved the cinder blocks. The explosion made the plate like go backwards and then move these apart. That was wild. That was crazy. We got one thing left.
Me?
No, this. But I don't know what to fill it up with. We've done water, we've done tan bark. We could probably put a rock in there. We're gonna think about this and we'll get back to you guys. All right, so we couldn't come up with anything more unique. We're still gonna fill it with water. However, as well as the water, we're also gonna put the rest of the shrapnel from all the other explosions. That's not gonna fit. I'm an idiot. All right, well. I didn't realize it was gonna break.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Yeah, it broke. All right, well that doesn't matter. We can still put it in. Anyway, that was an epic fail.
This is not the smartest tool.
Hopefully there's no hospital visits.
No, clearly not. Ah, I was literally just about to say no one's cut ourselves, and I just cut myself. Yeah, we'll fill up with blood and water. I'm honestly more disappointed about the glass than my finger because I tried to fit a bigger wine glass in there, try to wiggle it around to like break the stem off, and it broke the freaking bottle. What we've done now is we've just filled up with water as much as we could, and we're gonna see how the Lancer does against that. So let's see. This is our very last one, so hopefully it's big and it's worth the cut. There was water all over the camera again, but that went really well. I'm not happy about breaking it, but it was still a good turnout. Look at this. It left the base there and everything else just exploded. All the water went everywhere. Look, it's given the Lancer a bit of a wash as well. Good experiment?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put a hole in it? So we just finished up filming with the Lancer. Overall, I think that was a pretty good turnout. All the glasses were left broken, which is what I wanted. The Lancer survived. My camera died though, but that's all right. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see any more explosions, leave it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Till the next one, I'll see you guys later.